Good morning, everyone. This is Shah at Linear Wireless coming up with another repair video of iPhone 13 Pro Max. The customer, she says she tried to fix the bag by herself, and in the process she ended up damaging the battery, and she wants us to repair it. So I thought, okay, she don't want to fix the bag yet, she just wants the battery to be fixed, because what is it doing right now is just keep flashing Apple logo right there, as you can see. So we will be fixing this. All right, let's start by removing these two bottom screws. Okay, now we're gonna do is she says she took it to some other place to replace it. Just have to be very careful not to damage the. If we do this, we can just use this tool right there. I need to get the better camera angle here. Okay, have to be careful about here. And if you feel like that it's not going good, what you're gonna do is just get a little bit more heating there. Okay. Okay, you got this right there. Just have to be very careful, or else it will actually damage the screen, which we don't want to do. Okay. You can see here we have to be very careful here, because it can, if it can damage the phone, we don't want to mess up the screen here. Okay, what you can do is a little bit slightly lifting there. Yep, there you go. Have to be very careful there. Now we're gonna put this on the top of the screen there. Have to make a little bit of room there. Yep. You see there, and then this is the Apple tool that we use. It kind of helps us to a little bit loosen the adhesive there. Yeah. All right. There you go. There you go. The screen is coming out right here, as you can see. Okay, now. Okay. We have to unscrew these things. So there's right there 1, 2, 3. First thing we're gonna do is unplug the battery there. And then we have to unscrew these. One. Looks like a couple of the screws are already missing. Okay, so first secure the screen. So it's right there, the one screw there. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we'll see if this comes up easily. We can just remove it like this. Yep, that right there. Do not try to puncture it or anything like that. Yep, as you can see here, she damages it right there where she tried to remove the glass. She damages the battery in the process. Okay, since we got the original battery here, we are the Apple independent repair, not the authorized, but the independent repair, meaning that we can get the original Apple parts. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, okay, I got this right here. Apple original parts is available. And then we're gonna do this so any of the glass particle should actually goes away. Okay. Now we will be putting this right here. Just have to be making sure this is aligned very well. Okay. Okay, and there's another adhesive there. Okay, there you go. Got 100% Apple battery here. Give me 1 second. Hey, how are you? I'll be right back, ma'am, okay? Okay, now what we're gonna do is we'll reconnect the battery and we will reconnect the screen and we'll try to turn it on and we'll see what's going on. Okay, if we don't do nothing, we're gonna plug it. We're gonna plug it in. Okay, there you go. Awesome, good job. We'll see what is it doing right now. Hopefully this will turn on. Oops, it says you have to restore the iPhone. All right, now we have another situation here, so I'll have to explain this to customer, but usually that's how you do the battery, and you just put everything back together right there, and that should actually fixes the problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.